Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign documents on a Chromebook. Gone are the days of printing, signing, and scanning. Your Chromebook offers several convenient ways to add your signature to digital files, making paperwork much simpler. We will explore both built-in features and helpful online tools. This process is quick, efficient, and can be done using various input methods, saving you valuable time and resources. The simplest way to sign a PDF on your Chromebook is by using the native Gallery app. First, open your document from the Files app. Then, look for the signature icon in the top toolbar. You can draw your signature with a trackpad, a mouse, or even your finger on a touchscreen. Once satisfied, place it on the document and save your changes, creating a new signed copy. Beyond the built-in options, numerous online tools and browser extensions offer robust signing capabilities. Websites like Adobe Acrobat Online or DocHub let you upload documents, add signatures by drawing, typing, or uploading an image, and then download the signed file. Extensions such as DocuSign or Sign now integrate directly into your Chrome browser, providing quick access to signing features with just one click, streamlining your workflow significantly. To ensure a smooth signing experience, remember a few key tips. Always save your signed document as a new file to keep the original untouched. If your Chromebook has a touchscreen, using a stylus can provide much greater precision for your signature. Finally, be aware that while electronic signatures are widely accepted, always confirm if a specific document requires a particular type of digital signature for legal validity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.